Hello traders, last week we talked about technical analysis and today we're going to talk about the other popular one that's called the fundamental analysis. Stay tuned. Fundamental analysis is based on the economic data, how the country is performing as a whole, and also news coming out from key personalities. Some of the influential factors that can affect the market when doing fundamental analysis can be the GDP, the unemployment rate, the interest rate, and also inflation of the country. Traders who place trades based on fundamental analysis can open a position and leave it for a day, weeks, or even for a month. Sometimes when news are released, whether a positive or a negative news, it doesn't only cause the market to change immediately, but sometimes can cause a trend in the movement of the market. I'm going to give you 3 websites that you can read your fundamental analysis from and know what's about to happen in the market. The first one is investing.com, the second one is forexfactory.com, and the third one is fxstreet.com. These are great sites. You can see a lot of news there, read them, and know what's about to happen in the market and know the move or the next move you should take in the market. So in these websites, there is a key tool that's called the economic calendar. This is a list of news that's about to be released, so you can look through this news and see the intensity that it could have on the market, and based on that you can place good trades. The last and not the least, I'm going to provide you with some advantages of doing fundamental analysis. It allows you to get an insight of the movement of the market. It also makes you understand the price movement, and also you get to know the long-term picture of the market. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to our channel and always stay safe.